Ritchie's Fabulae Faciles, episode 9.3. In this episode, we will review down through adfectus est, and then we will translate the next couple of sentences from meritam gratiam through puellam duxit. Perseus postquam ad litis descendit primum talardre exuit, tum ad rupem venet ubi Andromeda vincta erat, ea autem omnem spem salutis deposuerat, et ubi Perseus hariet ter drardra paena exanimata erat, illa vincula statim solvit et puellam patri redidit, Cepheus ab hanc rem maximo gaudio adfectus est. This means Perseus, after he descended to the shore, first took off his sandals. Then to the cliff he came where Andromeda had been chained. She, however, had given up all hope of safety, and when Perseus approached, with dread almost, she had fainted. He, meaning Perseus, immediately released her chains and gave the girl back to her father. Cepheus, because of this development, was overcome adfectus est with the greatest joy. Now for the new material. Meritam gratiam pro tanto beneficio Perseo retulit, praeterea Andromedam ipsam ei in matrimonium dedit, ille lebenter hoc donum accepit et puellam duxit. Deserved thanks, or hard-earned thanks, meritam gratiam, in return for such a great kindness, he gave, retulit, or he paid, to Perseus. Meanwhile, or in addition, praeterea, Andromeda herself, to him, meaning Perseus, in marriage he gave, meaning Cepheus. We'll explain more in a moment. He, Perseus, gladly this gift, hoc donum, received, and he married the girl, puellam duxit. This sentence begins with the object, meritam gratiam. This is fine. The standard Latin word order, subject, object, verb, is observed here. The subject is implicit from the previous sentence, so there's no need to repeat it. It is, in effect, gapped. So the object, deserved thanks, and that's feminine singular and accusative. Deserved thanks, pro, the preposition plus the ablative. This is a neuter singular ablative, beneficium, second declension noun, for such a great kindness to Perseus. Here's our masculine singular dative indirect object, to Perseus, he paid, retulit. This is the verb refero, to give back. Here it is in the third principal part. It's a perfect indicative active. Moreover, praeterea, Andromeda herself. Here's our object. It's feminine singular and accusative. This ipsam is an intensive adjective. Sometimes it's called a pronoun. Andromeda herself, to him. Now, we still have the same subject controlling, so that's why we can get the object right at the beginning without mentioning the subject. So Andromeda herself, to him, meaning to Perseus, in matrimonium dedit. Dedit, of course, is from the very common first conjugation verb dare, although it's irregular in that this a is short, unlike other first conjugations where the a is long. He, meaning Cepheus, gave Andromeda herself to him, indirect object, for marriage. Here the preposition in plus accusative has this slight sense of purpose attached to it. Now we have a new subject, so ille, this refers to Perseus. He, lebenter adverb, gladly or willingly, hoc donum, that's a neuter singular and accusative, it's going to be the object of accepit, which of course is the perfect of the verb accipio, accipere, which is a third conjugation io, as it's called. He gladly received this gift, meaning the girl, and what else did he do? Puellam duxit. That is, he ducere, to lead. This is how we express in Latin that a man took a woman as his wife. It is ducere in matrimonium. By contrast, a woman is always said nubo nubere, to take a husband, nubo nubere. But the man, he, Perseus, took the girl, puellam, and the idea is took her into the condition of matrimony, that is, he married her. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.